welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the T's in my lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, stretch. Okay. All right. I just finished part of my walk on many steps again. I got like a couple of thousand steps this last session real quick. So, welcome to untilit.works, a thing I made mostly for myself to be able to work on projects that I've been meaning to work on and create things that I want to create. Untilit.works is a thing that, because I'm the type of person, if I don't make time, I'll never find time. So by doing untilit.works on Sundays, it gives me an opportunity to block out time to work on things and do these quick little live streams. So since I'm by a computer, I'm able to work on stuff or walk around, either way. So untilit.works consists of ciphers, and a cipher is a 3-hour block of time. Within each cipher, there are sessions. There's a work session and a break session. Work sessions are like 45 minutes, heads down, working on what you're working on, trying to make some progress, or like me, walking around and sending out, doing some post radio show promo stuff. Whatever it is, you just, you're focused and you're locked in. Then around 15 minutes after the hour, I'll pop up in here to remind you to take a break. Get up, walk around, drink some water, do what you got to do, but don't think about a thing that you're just working on. Let your mind relax. And so, like I said, I'll pop up here with the video to kind of like take over the screen, like, hey, take a break. If you ever come to the site in the middle of a break session, the video may look like it's frozen. That's because browsers don't allow for autoplay video with audio. And that's why the notice there that you saying that you may need to click play to start the stream. Next to that is the open closed caption button. I'm using the speech recognition API that's built into Chrome browsers to turn my speech into text. So if you click that button, a space will open up and the words I am saying will hopefully be transcribed accurately and placed in there. Then there's 2 buttons. Don't worry about them. They're broken. I'll fix them at some point. And then there's a countdown timer. Countdown to when the next work session will start. And then if you'd like to join the room, you can. There's a link there to if you want to chat or ask questions. Cool. All right. So that's that. Now, work session will look something like this. Share screen. Cool. All right. So now over in the upper right hand corner, you can see if you check out subscribe, it has a list of all the upcoming ciphers you can subscribe to get notified when we go live. Over on the left hand side, there's an audio player if you want to listen to some tunes. Here towards the center, we have the to-do section where it says add a task. You type in your task, hit enter or the plus button, it'll add it to the list. You can edit the task by clicking the text. If you want to delete it, click the X button. And if you want to mark it complete, click the check box. And I'll send it to the section done. If you click this header done, it'll show you all the things you got completed. Now, if you click the Twitter icon, it'll open up Twitter and a brand new tab or window, and it will pre-populate the tweet with the things you got completed, like in a list with like check marks next to them. So for me, it's kind of a good way, like, oh, seeing got some stuff done today, like written out. In the right column, we have a countdown timer, counter when the next break session happens. Again, that's like 15 minutes after the hour. View tutorials. So I have some stuff in there that if you're interested in coding, you know what I'm saying, I have some resources you can check out. Now, if you're brand new to web development and you think it can be pretty cool, but you don't know where to start, I have links to Free Code Camp and the Odin Project. And from what I've seen from the curriculum and what people have told me that have gone through them, I think by the end of those programs, you'll have a good understanding of what it takes to do web development. And then from there, you can make an educated decision on whether or not you want to spend more time and or money in pursuing it. So those are there. All right. Then also, if you're already into coding and you're looking maybe for like a quick project to get started, kind of get your brain going. This thing keeps like, my bad, I'm distracted. This thing keeps getting like caught on my shelf here. So if you're already into coding, and you're looking for a quick project to, kind of like something you can start and stop in like one sitting, and then maybe it'll generate some ideas and get your creative juices going. I have links to 3 tutorials, and they go to the Vonage developer platform because I'm a JavaScript developer advocate at Vonage. So part of my responsibilities are to look over tutorials. And so one of them is you create this application file in the tutorial. You'll be able to, at the end of it, put in your phone number into an input box, hit call, and your real world phone will ring, and you can have a conversation back and forth. Then there's one that's the opposite. We get a virtual number, link that to the application you create following that tutorial. You call that virtual number from your real world phone, you'll be able to answer that in the browser and have a conversation back and forth. Then there's one where like 2 users like log in to an application, and one can call the other through the browser and have a conversation. So pretty cool stuff, I think. And so those are there. All right, Hako, we'll come back to show and tell, sign up. If you want to come up here and talk about something you found interesting on the internet, feel free to do so. Show and tell, sign up, will walk you through that process. And don't worry about the highlight thing. That's part of the broken system that something happened. Hako. Hako stands for help a coder / creator out. It's a thing I made that if you ever get stuck working on the thing you're working on, you can create a Hako, which is a room that you can then invite people to join. And the hope is that together, as a collective, you'll be able to find the solution or the feedback on the thing that you're working on. And so if you click view, it'll show you all the different Hakos that have been created. You can click the creator's name to open up Twitter or GitHub, depending on where they logged in with, to check out the profile, see whether or not you like to request to join their Hako. Over to the left-hand side, I have a filter by keyword list. So if there's something specific you're looking for, maybe it's in the keyword list. All right, now if you click create, it'll present you with this form. You put in the title and 3 keywords. You hit create, it'll generate a unique URL that you can then copy or click to share to Twitter. Now, when you join your Hako, it looks like this. Got the title at the top. Over on the right-hand side, you can leave the Hako there, or you can open the menu for some more options. We got a text chat here to the right. We'll come back to that. On the left-hand side, there's a timer countdown when the next break session happens, again, like 15 minutes after the hour. And then if you'd like to copy the URL again or click to share to Twitter, they're right there. When someone clicks your link, they just don't automatically join your room. They're requesting to join your room. So they'll show up under pending. You'll be able to click their username to open up Twitter or GitHub, depending on what they logged in with, to check out their profile to see whether or not you'd like to let them into your room. You do approve them, and they turn out to be a terrible person, you can always ban them and get them out your room. Now, you as the owner of the Hako, only you can share your screen, because again, the point of the Hako is for you to get the help or feedback on a thing that you're working on. And I think by being able to share your screen and showing others what you're seeing, you'll be able to provide the context that others can use to then help you out with the feedback or the solution that you're looking for. Now, the way you communicate through the Hako is that we have a text chat. You put your message in here towards the bottom, hit send, it'll add it to the list of messages. I also add the ability to enable audio chat. So anybody who has their audio chat enabled will be able to speak to and hear each other. But don't worry, for the folks who don't have audio chat enabled, they'll still be able to follow along, because what people are saying will be turned into text and put into the text chat. Then I have the opposite available, where you can enable text to speech. So if you're not looking at the text chat, you'll still be able to follow along, because what messages put in there will be read out aloud by your browser. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Those are the Hakos. You can check them out. And cool. Let me get y'all back to work, because I'm almost done with the post-radio show promo stuff. So I want to try to get that done. I got like a long list of things, because I've been pretty active during my holiday break. By the way, Happy New Year. I don't know if I said that earlier. And so I've been working on a bunch of different prototypes, right? And some of them I can't really show yet, because I want the people who they're for to check them out first before I start doing stuff. You know what I'm saying? But this one is just kind of like a generic thing that I've been working on. And thing came in, so it's pretty cool. So I've been working on these like coasters, right? So this is part of projects I'm working on, but it's just the plain one right now. I want to do stuff to it, but I'm just kind of been testing it out, and it's pretty dope. I like it. I put like a little groove in here so that when the cup is on there or whatever, and if there's like condensation and stuff, like it will go into the groove before it, it spills over onto whatever. Because one of the points of the thing is so that, it doesn't mess up the table that it's on. So I think by having a little groove thing, I'm still testing it out, and it seems to be working so far. But what just came in, I think like yesterday, that I was ordering, I wanted to test out, were like cork bottoms. And it's like adhesive. And so I was able to stick it on there, and it's pretty good. Now I did a circle, like an indentation. I don't know if it's me or that, but it's a little bit off, but it's not that bad. You know what I'm saying? And it seems to work. Like it grips to, I don't know if you can see it, shook the table, but it grips to the surface really good. So that was the point I wanted to get it, because this is kind of like slick, you know what I'm saying? And I didn't want the coasters to go flying around. And so, yeah, so now I'm, so part of the design is I'm going to put something on the face here, you know what I'm saying? And I'm going to create holders for these, which are going to be pretty cool. So that's like the holders is going to be the whole thing, which makes it really cool. And the design on here. And so I'm going to be working on that later today. But yeah, 3D printing has been pretty dope. You know what I'm saying? I've been having a good time with it and learning a lot of stuff. And so, but yeah, I made a whole bunch of stuff like this whole break, this whole thing. And yeah, looking forward to getting back. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, I think it came out pretty good. I think I might be able to smush it in here also. So, because it's cork, it's not really, you know, so it can be malleable. But I mean, I think it came out pretty good. And yeah, so yeah, that's just one of the things I've been working on. And I'm going to finish that up. And because I want to show some people. And I think it'd be pretty cool. I've been getting my business stuff set up and everything too. So feeling pretty good. You know what I mean? And so I actually got the business. It's incorporated, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like it's official now. Create like a little promo website. I'm going to create something where like the different customers can order things and you'll create like an invoice. Working on a whole bunch of stuff. You know what I'm saying? So hopefully your new year's off to a running start. You know what I'm saying? And hopefully you are making some progress in whatever it is that you're working on. But yeah, I'm going to get y'all back to work. I'm going to send y'all off with some traveling music. This right here is a track from Nujabez featuring a Pani B. The track is called Thank You. Thanks for hanging out. See you 15 minutes after the hour. Till then, I wish you much productivity. All right, y'all be easy. Peace.
Let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I think all the showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I just want to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna